Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to record a video of your test execution. Okay, to do that, we need to go to config file, that is playwright.config.ts. Okay, inside that, we have a block called use. Okay, so here inside the use block, we need to use an option called video. Okay, just type video colon and inside a single quote here there are some options we can use them. Okay, the first one is off means it will not record the video. Okay, so and next one is on means it will always record the video whether the test passes or fails. It will record the video. Usually we will not use this. And the next options are, I'll show you. The important option is retain on failure. It means it will record the video or it will save the video only when the test fails. Okay, so usually this is the important one and this is what we use. Okay, so to show you this, I've selected this screenshot file. Okay, so the first one is I'm showing retain on failure. Okay, so here I will just enter this fill I will just enter this book into this locator. Okay, search locator. Okay, so this should pass. And if the test fails, it will create a folder called test results and save inside this. Okay, I will just delete this. Okay, now let me execute this screenshot file. Just remember the option video colon. Okay, and we mainly use retain on failure. Okay, the test passed. And here if you see inside the test results, it is not created or it did not record any video. Okay, so now I will make some mistakes in this. Okay, so the locator, I will just add one after the locator. Okay, so I will save and execute. Okay, so now it should record the video. Okay, because the option is retain on failure. It's trying to find this search box. Okay, the locator is wrong and it will fail. Just wait until it closes. Okay, so the test fails and we'll go to this test results, and as we can see it created a folder. Okay, screenshots is the spec file name and this screenshot is the test name. Okay, and inside this it has created the it has recorded the video. Okay, so here from here we cannot play the video. We need to go to the locator of the project. So inside the test results, okay, here it is. I will double click and I'll open this and I will just enter. I'll double click on this. So it's playing the video. It recorded our test execution. Okay. This is how we can record the video. I will just close this. Okay. So now I will turn this off. So to turn the video off, the option is off. Okay. Okay, I'll execute screenshot spec file. I will delete this test results folder. Okay, it failed. And if you'll see under test results, it has not created the video because here the option is off. Okay, so now I'll turn it on. Okay, so on means whether the test passes or fail. Okay, so it will capture the or record the video. Okay, so here I will pass this test. Okay, so I'll remove this one and I'll execute this file, spec file. It entered book. It is pass, and even though it is pass, it recorded the video. Okay, because the option is on, and we can see the video inside this folder project structure inside this test results. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can record the video in Playwright. Okay, and thank you so much for watching.